Dr. Rebecca Morrison peeled off her protective suit in the medical bay of the Galactic Council station, wincing as the fabric brushed against her shoulders. The skin beneath glowed an angry red, a testament to her mornings spent examining the station's exterior solar panels without proper UV shielding. Ambassador Threx, a towering Valachian with scales like polished obsidian, watched with what could only be described as amusement. His vertical pupils dilated with curiosity. "Your dermis has changed color," Threx observed, his translator rendering his clicking speech into smooth English. "Is this a distress signal? A mating display?" Dr. Morrison laughed despite the discomfort. "It's called a sunburn. I forgot humans need extra protection from stellar radiation." The ambassador's crest fluttered in an expression of confusion. "Your species requires additional shielding beyond standard protocols?" Word spread quickly through the station. By the time Dr. Morrison entered the council chamber for the weekly diplomatic briefing, representatives from 7 species had gathered to witness the phenomenon. Commander James Patterson stood beside her, his own face sporting a telltale redness from the same oversight. The Drithian delegate, Viscount Kell, made a sound like grinding gravel, their version of laughter. "The humans cannot tolerate standard stellar exposure. How did such a fragile species achieve spaceflight?" Patterson's jaw tightened, but Dr. Morrison placed a calming hand on his arm. "Actually," she said, "it's more complicated than that." She activated the holographic display, projecting Earth's sun in brilliant detail. "Our star is classified as a G-type main sequence star. Compared to most of your home worlds, it's extraordinarily violent." The council chamber fell silent. "It produces massive amounts of ultraviolet radiation, X-rays, and periodic coronal mass ejections," she continued. "Our atmosphere filters much of it, but not all. Humans evolved under constant bombardment from one of the galaxy's most aggressive stars." Freeze leaned forward. "Aggressive?" "Our stellar surveys classified Sol as unremarkable." "Unremarkable to you," Patterson interjected. "But compared to the red dwarfs and stable orange stars most of you evolved around, Sol is a monster. That's why Earth's atmosphere is oxygen-rich. Plants evolved aggressive photosynthesis to handle the energy load. That's why our magnetosphere is so strong. Everything about Earth is a response to our sun's fury." Dr. Morrison pulled up comparative data. "This sunburn, what you see, is because my melanin production, our natural defense, couldn't adapt fast enough to your station's different UV spectrum. But here's what you need to understand." She displayed cellular imaging. "Human cells contain sophisticated DNA repair mechanisms. We're constantly fixing radiation damage at the molecular level every single day. It's why human immune systems are so robust. It's why we heal so quickly compared to most species." The Drithian delegate's chromatic skin patterns shifted to colors indicating unease. "You're saying humans are radiation adapted? We're radiation forged," Patterson said. "The same sun that burns our skin made us tough enough to survive in environments that would kill most council species." Threx accessed his datapad, cross-referencing human biology with known stellar environments. His crest slowly rose to full extension, an expression of dawning respect. "This explains the incident on NEA-3, he said quietly. "When the stellar flare hit the colony, human personnel worked through conditions that hospitalized our Valachian engineers. We attributed it to stubbornness." "Not stubbornness," Dr. Morrison said, smiling despite her sunburn. "We're children of an angry star. A little radiation doesn't stop us. It reminds us of home." The council chamber remained silent for a long moment. Then, slowly, one by one, the representatives stood in a gesture of universal respect. Viscount Kell's grinding laughter transformed into something else entirely. "Perhaps we should reconsider which species is truly fragile," the Drithian said. Dr. Morrison touched her sunburned shoulder and grinned. "We burn easily, but we always come back stronger. Please follow my channel for more videos. One click from you can change my life."